Hello, welcome to my interactive mock-up prototype for my e-portfolio. This is done to scale. This is the same scale that it would be in a website. Well, I'll go ahead and start from top left and go down to the bottom right. We have this emblem, which will also act as a homepage button. That is very standard for other websites. We also have this navigation bar that is pretty standard for other websites. We have the home button, school, resume, projects, experience, contact, trying to get all the information that employers would want to know. Also, right off the bat, we have my name and also my occupation, but also a contact button for them to be able to contact me very quickly, which is important. We also have the huge categories broken up in these big boxes for them to see. We have school, resume, projects, experience again. Also a LinkedIn, which will bring them to my LinkedIn or profile, so they could also navigate to that pretty quickly. I guess we'll start off and go to school. It gives us the basic information. From here we can go back home, go to any of these other places, go to resume. They will be able to scroll down and see the rest of the resume, and also a download link. Projects makes it really easy for them to see a specific project that they have in mind. This will be useful because if they're a company that only uses Java, then um, they will most likely be interested in the Java app, not really Delphi and C++. I'll have a picture here of what the app is, um, but also some information. Hopefully get some more information. Go back to home. And we have experience. Very quick and easy to see where I worked at, what I learned, um, what some of my responsibilities were, what I did. Last but not least, we go to contact, where they can send me an email through the website in order to contact me. Hope you enjoyed the interactive mock-up. Thank you.